This video shows the production process of a high-quality roll-forming machine. Feeding uncoiler is used to keep the steel coil standing and uncoiling to ensure stable operation. Manual feed shears deliver smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. The frame panel thickness is 16, which is more stable. Press the button and touch the screen to operate. Easy to operate. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within plus or minus 1 millimeter. Commitment. Delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.